Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a ladybug on Dress to Impress. So first of all, I colored everything black here, and I'm also going to get stockings, and I'm going to color them black just to cover like the nails of my legs here. And then I'm going to press E, and we're going to use this dress. First, we're going to need the iconic ladybug pattern, and since the second one doesn't it does support like this one, but it doesn't support the pattern I'm using. I'm just going to color it just red, but make sure you color it kind of like the similar red to your dress here. So I'm just gonna try to match it as close as I can, and I'm going to save that color. Oops. And then I'm just going to color the rest black, like so. Then I'm going to walk over here and I'm going to go to the cupcake outfit. Going to use that. Again, I'm going to color it this red. If you don't like it, you can just make it black. I'll just make it black for that one, I think. And then I'll do the rest like this red. And then for the sprinkles, I'm going to color it black. Then we are going to need this hood, and I'm going to just leave it black. And then we'll need these for the eyes. I'm just going to color it white. Yes, you do need VIP for this, unfortunately. So I'm just going to walk in here, and I'm just going to grab this one. Fur only, and then full fur, and I might just color it the same color as this one, or if you can add patterns, that's even better. I actually don't know if it's gonna well, it did support it, so just do that pattern again. Then we're going to need these antennas, and then I'm gonna get this these wings, select animated, and select the ladybug patterns. Then color the outline black, and then for this one I'm just gonna color all of it black, and then I'm gonna do the animated one as well. You can kind of adjust it to your liking, like how you want the ladybug to be. And once you're done, you're just going to do the belly flop bows, and that's pretty much how you can create a ladybug on Dress to Impress. It's not the most accurate one, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!